make a good pumpkin pie. This all looks bad so far, but it's about to turn from being bad to good. Terrible! First, I need some whipped cream. Second, you're gonna need some Hershey. No,
I'll help you.
go grab the Hershey ingredients. Run. Hershey. Next, you're gonna need some sauce.
Where are
Need some Hershey. Nesquik.
Hershey Kisses? Where are they?
Or no, it's Hershey's the flavoring.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Next, you're gonna need either
I don't know what you're talking about.
some Nesquik
I don't
or
know
some Hershey's. Never mind. Never mind.
Where's the Hershey ingredient?
Hershey's caramel.
Oh.
We're gonna need to put them all combined. I'm good. Is this a cool video?
Can I please help?
Put some mayo sriracha. No, Ray, don't put too many. Stop. Hopefully it tastes good. If it does taste good, I'm not filming this video. Then you're going to put the strawberry Nesquik in. Once and for all, put it in. And it's not open.
You'll need pumpkin pie first.
No, Reagan, stop! My sister. Wow. So this doesn't work.
No,
you're-
you need pumpkin pie first.
Where
But
we
that's
at?
pumpkin pie.
Mm,
Did you already say that?
yeah.
Oh.
You need pumpkin pie. And then you're going to need to have some strawberry. And then put it on the... Never mind, don't put strawberry in your pumpkin. Taste test.
I would put that quick on there.
Caramel tastes amazing. Hope this recipe comes out good. See ya.